like enough of my sound.
Hey guys, it's Nick. Well, really huge earthquake, but yeah, that was another one of my videos. Trying to get a better sound, because right now I'm using this speaker right here. I don't know if you can see the speaker. That's what was powering right now, and it runs right. Oh, it's cable here. This cable up to this 5 splitter, which I have my headphones hooked up to, and yeah, that was another mashup remix, and like, subscribe, and leave comments. Teacher Earthquake out.